And now for our mouse, I've taken a 260, inflated it only about 12 to 13, well, about 13 inches. So we've got a pretty long, about a 7-inch tail on the end. Now for this nose, it needs to be soft, so squeeze a little bit. We're going to make about a 3/4 inch bubble on the end. And now we're going to make two large fold twists separated by a small, so about a 3-inch bubble. Make that into a fold twist, a 3-inch length of balloon. Then make a little small, about 3/4 inch bubble in between, and then another large fold twist with about 3 inches, same size as that first one. Now you want to take, and we're going to sort of make this into a pinch twist in the middle. So you want to grab this whole assembly, both ears and the head, and spin them all around a time or two so it pinches up that middle. And then we're going to take this bit of nozzle left over and bring it up in and twist it around his head once or twice. So sort of tuck that nose up in like that. Give him a little face like that. Now with what's left, we're going to make a little mouse body. So make a little small neck, about a 3/4 inch bubble, another 3/4 inch bubble. Those will be his front legs. And a small body with about an inch bubble. And then two more little 3/4 inch bubbles for his back legs. Twist those together. What's left over becomes his tail. And there's our little basic mouse. Now this guy, you really need to see him drawn on. So I'm going to take a moment and draw his face because it helps you really see his face. The others I've been drawing after, and you can draw on them however you like. So I give him a little sort of a triangle-y nose, and then come down from that in his mouth and give him some little mousy buck teeth, some little whiskers on the side, two little beady eyes, and there's our cute little mouse.